let's go to our main ingredient, which is pineapple. Okay, not this one, but this one. We cut it into small pieces. And heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, milk, honey, and we're going to put a little bit twist of coconut taste. We're going to put coconut cream. First, we're gonna add some butter, around 30 grams. This will make the pineapple have a little bit of salty flavor, salty, sweet, and sour. You gotta put the pineapple. You hear the sound? This is about one small pineapple. It smells so good. I wish you could smell. Just a little bit brown and should be done. Look at the brown color. Oh, alright. So this is going to be so simple when we are going to put everything in here. Okay, we start with 500 ml of heavy cream, 200 of milk, 100 of cheese, 100 of honey, and 100 of coconut cream. As simple as we blend all. And finally, we whip all the ingredients together until it's thick and creamy. And we're going to pour into the container. You might be seeing a little bit of white, but it smells of the pineapple so good.